Hi guys, so let's talk about the Allen Trimmer No More Split Ends Trimmer. Let's unbox this and see what it is like. So this is what it looks like, such a sleek and nice packaging, and it has a lock setting right here, and now it opens up. So the brush cleaner for cleaning the hair that gets trapped in the socket. It comes with a USB cord which you can use to charge this, and then you can use this on the go or whenever you want, and you don't need any electricity. Starting with the basics, you just need to do this and it will open up. The lock opens up. Before we start using this, let's talk about a few frequently asked questions. Does this trim your hair? No, it does not trim your hair to any large extent. Second, can anybody use this? Absolutely anybody can use this. This is a unisex tool. Third question is how often you should be using this No More Split Ends Trimmer. You can use it as often as you like, and whenever you start spotting split ends or whenever you feel like that roughness is building up in your hair. And before starting, what we need to do is unsnap it and open it up. Now again, another basic before we start is that whenever you are using this, you need to use this side and your hair should rest on top of this. So if I'm using this, I'll be taking a small strand of my hair and I'll be placing the strand on this corner like this, and I'll just snap it and then I'll keep sliding it down. But you don't need to do it very quickly or rushing it. Just do it at the speed of the trimmer. It will guide you and you will slide along with the speed of the trimmer. Okay, let's start to use this and see what it is all about. One button, and I'm just going to press it once and it is on, and this is the sound it makes. This is the barrel that collects all your hair. So let's get going. I've already detangled my hair and put them in the front. Now when you want to start, you want to take small sections, something like this, not bigger than that. Take the tool and you place your hair between this, where making sure that your hair is on top of this side, and you start from your mid to your ends. You don't need to put it over here. You need to start from your mid to your end. You need to make sure that this device does not help you straighten your hair. This helps in taking away the flyaways and the split ends. So let's start. Placing it right here and then slowly sliding it down with the speed of the tool. It is literally as simple as that. You just need to hold it, press it and slide it down, and it will take away all your split ends. Now I'm going to complete this side and show you the difference from this to this. This is all the hair that gets collected in this socket. You just need to snap it and take this out. This device also comes with a little brush that you can use to get rid of all this hair. So now that I've done this side appears to look more smoother since it has taken away all the extra flyaways and my split ends. And this side looks a little more dull, frisky, and that's the difference it makes when you just get your split ends done. This side looks more smoother and as in more groomed, whereas this looks a little untamed. So give this a try. It's a wonderful product, so innovative, and I absolutely loved it.